What's going on, Diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. What do we got here, man? What do we got here? We got 4 Matchbox, 6 Johnny Lightnings. Let's dive right into it. Up first, we have a Matchbox short card. Actually, they're all short cards. Check these things out. We have the 2019 McLaren 720S Spider in this beautiful purple. Check this thing out. We got these nice black wheels. We've got the shiny paint. Oh, so shiny. We got the shiny paint. We got the shiny paint. Wicked, wicked sweet. Check this thing out. It is a Spider. That means it's a convertible. I don't know why they call them Spiders, but they just do. A very cool car indeed. And I definitely like it. You know what? Matchbox is hitting us with the details right now. The headlights, the taillights, these super friggin' awesome wheels. And check this out. We have kind of some groove tires right there. That's fine by me, man. It looks very, very sweet. We've got what looks to be some brake calipers, brake rotors. Definitely some brake rotors in there. We could definitely paint those, make them look nice and shiny. But very cool car. Not much detailing on the interior, but that's okay. We've got the headlights and we've got the taillights. What else do you want? Thank you, Matchbox, for doing such an awesome job. We have the Morgan Plus 4. We've got some shiny paint, even though not so shiny, but kind of shiny paint. It's a shiny paint. This Morgan is super cool, super classic, and these things are just wicked, wicked nice. I definitely like these old-style Morgans. Very cool. We have the racing number right there. We get Morgan on the license plate. Again, Matchbox is hitting us with those fine details. Check out that. Check those out. We have headlights. We've got taillights and blinkers and license plates and a spare tire. This is friggin' cool. Check this out, a little 2-seater. Steering wheel's on the wrong side, but that's okay. All can be forgiven. We got these beautiful hood vents, keeping that big motor in there, nice and cool. We've got, again, these very awesome, awesome wheels. Wicked, wicked nice. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Moving on, we have one of my favorites. It's a station wagon, by the way. Check this thing out. 1980 AMC Eagle. Very cool. Not much detailing, but you know what? That's fine. It's a short card. We know what it is. Look at that thing. This thing is a rugged car. We have no details in the rear. What are you doing, man? Matchbox, what are you doing? Did you guys get lazy or something? We have these nice rims. Check out these nice wheels, these nice off-road tires. We got some mud flaps right there because we are an off-road station wagon conquering the Grand Canyon one pebble at a time. Check this thing out. Very cool car. I definitely like it. Instant classic. Moving on. I like it. Gonna keep it. Indiana Jones. We got the Tuk Tuk, the MBX Tangiers Tuk Tuk. Very cool, very awesome, very Indiana Jones. Check out Harrison Ford right there. Indy. We have this very cool Hollywood, look, new for 2024. It is a Tuk Tuk. And because it's Indiana Jones, matter of fact, I wanted to be Indiana Jones when I was a kid. Super, super cool. I definitely like it. And you know what? I want to thank my wife. She's the one that picked these up, not me. I'm way too busy to go hunting, so she hunts for me. And I think she did great with these 4 short cards down at the dollar store. She did an awesome job picking these things out. Very, very cool. Now, let's get to the cream of the crop here. Check this thing out. Now, you guys have probably seen the short. That's totally cool. Thank you guys very much. But, now, I took these cars out for the short, and I put everything in, so in this case, there's going to be some cars that shouldn't be in here, and some cars that should be in here. Anyways, let's start off with, check this thing out. We have the Monte Carlo, the 1980 Chevy Monte Carlo, a very cool red. We have 1 out of 12,108. Very cool car. One of my favorite Monte Carlos. We have the wheels matching the color. It is not a white lightning. So sad. Actually, out of the 3 cases I bought, there's not one white lightning. You know what? We'll try again next time. But a very super cool car. Very classic. Very old school. And this thing is just an awesome car. I definitely like it. There's nothing cooler than a Monte Carlo. Anyways, very cool. Matching wheels. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Moving on here, it looks like we're going to pull out a Ford. Which one is it? We have the 1969 Ford Torino Talladega. Look at this thing. This thing is a boat of a car. Instant classic. Very cool. Nice white paint job. We've got those rubber tires going on. Metal base. It is 1 out of 10,548. Very cool car. We have, what's this? It's just white. I'm not pronouncing that. It's just white with a black hood. Very cool car indeed. Awesome. I definitely like it. Gonna keep it. Moving on. What do we got here? Oh, check this thing out. It is an El Camino. 1967 Chevy El Camino. This is 1 out of 11,364. This does not mean it's number 1, by the way. But very cool car. Check out this nice deep purple paint job. Very classic. Very awesome. Now, it does have a white interior. Does that make it a white lightning? Absolutely not. Remember, with white lightnings, there has to be more than 2 traits. Or there has to be 2 traits. This is just 1 trait. There's not 2 traits on this. And you know what? That's really too bad. But anyways, it may not be a white lightning. It is a classic. It is one of my favorite cars, is the El Camino. Very awesome indeed. I like it. Gonna keep it. We have the 2013 Chevy Camaro ZL1. Now, this is a convertible. We have a nice soft top. We got these beautiful black wheels. Unbelievable. Now, Johnny Lightning is known for the details. We have taillights. We have headlights. We have full details front and rear. Check out that black stripe on the bottom. That, I think, just sets it off, honestly, with this nice orange paint job called Inferno Orange. This car is 1 out of 10,884. Very cool. Nice details indeed. I like that black interior going on. A very awesome car. Very cool. I like it. I'm going to keep it. Moving on, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. Let's get all this stuff out of here. Note, all we've got in error. Do you see what I see? So the card is straight, but the vehicle is not. Someone at the factory messed this up. I'm surprised I didn't see this. But anyways, it is a 1984 Ford Ranger XL. 1 out of 12,108. Check this thing out. Very cool car. We have these beautiful details. It is a 2-tone, light blue and white. We've got Ford on the tailgate. Did you expect anything else? We have some nice white leather tires that say Goodyear. These wicked sweet wheels. And it is just a very cool, cute little truck. Definitely like it. And I'm going to keep it. Or, actually, I'm definitely going to keep it. That is an error. This is a factory error. Is it going to fetch me any more money? Probably not. It's just unique. Anyways, I like it. Going to keep it. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, one of my favorite trucks is the FJ Cruiser, along with the Land Cruisers. This is not a factory defect, and that's okay. Now, I actually do like these things. They are a little weird, but they aren't weird if you know what the other FJ Cruisers before. This is an updated version of an FJ Cruiser. As we can tell, we have some traits that are very similar to the old school FJs, but this thing is super cool. I like these things when they came out. This was just a very off-road rugged vehicle. Had everything that you could possibly need in an off-road package. Now, this thing there is no run numbers for it. It's a limited edition. It's a new casting. Now, these things aren't very expensive either. I checked, and that's okay. But it's a limited edition. There is no 1 out of whatever. Makes it very unique. And we have titanium silver. It's a very cool, awesome, rugged vehicle. And I definitely like them. And you know what? I still get pretty excited when I see these things on the road because you don't see many of them out there anymore. This is from 2007. Let me tell you something. The early 2000s and 2000s in general definitely had some cool cars. Now, everything looks the same. Everything looks the same. But anyways, I digress. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all the time I got for you today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll know. On that note, I'm going to go. Collect what you like. If you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters.